It would be ideal if life never enticed us, allowing us to navigate each day effortlessly, consistently making the right choices. However, that's not the reality we face. It's not a reflection of our true selves. When left to our own devices, given ample opportunities, eventually we may falter, lose our way, or make mistakes. That's why the greats have what Marcus Aurelius called epithets for the self, or what General Mattis has called flat-ass rules. Know what you stand for and stick to it, he said. Draw the line and hold it. Stoicism, as a philosophy, offers guiding principles for life. In practice, it provides a framework to navigate life's complexities and avoid compromise on our high standards. Stoics believed life could be tiring, so these rules help us stay on the right path amid varying circumstances. In this video, we are going to detail 8 Stoic rules for better life. Rule number 1, own the morning. Rule number 2, only focus on what's in your control. Rule number 3, don't suffer imagined troubles. Rule number 4, treat success and failure the same. Rule number 5, make beautiful choices. Rule number 6, constantly ask, is this necessary? Rule number 7, love your fate. Rule number 8, be strict with yourself and tolerant with others. In Stoicism, the idea of own the morning means taking control of the start of your day. It's about beginning each day with purpose and intention. This is because the morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. By owning the morning, you prepare yourself to face whatever challenges may come your way with a clear and focused mind. Imagine your morning routine as a tranquil harbor before a sea of daily responsibilities. It's your time to reflect, plan, and fortify yourself mentally. This principle encourages you to prioritize activities like meditation, journaling, or exercise to nurture your inner strength. By doing so, you become better equipped to handle the unpredictable waves of life. Own the morning embodies the Stoic virtue of wisdom. It reminds us that we have control over how we respond to the events of the day. By embracing this principle, you acknowledge that life's challenges are opportunities for growth. It's a reminder that no matter what happens, you have the power to start your day with purpose, resilience, and a Stoic calmness. In the world of Stoicism, there's a fundamental rule. Focus on what's in your control. Imagine life as a river, with some parts you can steer and others you can't. Don't waste your energy trying to change the unchangeable currents. Instead, put your efforts into steering the parts you can. It's like a ship captain focusing on the rudder, not the weather. Stoics teach us that worrying about things beyond our control is like carrying a heavy load that serves no purpose. It's like trying to change the weather by wishing it were different. Instead, be like a wise gardener who tends to the plants they can nurture and accepts the rain and sunshine as they come. In life, focus on your actions and choices. They are your garden. Picture life as a game of chess. You control your moves, but you can't control your opponents. The Stoic way is to play your best game with the pieces you have. Don't obsess over your opponent's strategy. You can't change that. Concentrate on your next move, your own strategy. In life, focus on your actions, decisions, and character. These are the pieces you can move on the board. In the realm of Stoicism, we find a timeless wisdom. Don't suffer imagined troubles. It teaches us to guard our minds against the needless torment of worries that exist only in our thoughts. When we dwell on hypothetical hardships, we squander the precious present moment, robbing ourselves of serenity. Stoicism invites us to confront reality with a clear gaze. Don't suffer imagined troubles reminds us that the future is uncertain, and most of our anxieties are born from our own imagination. By focusing on what is here and now, we reclaim our inner peace and resilience. Don't anticipate sorrow. Don't let anxiety and worry get the best of you. Don't let your worries grow out of proportion to what might actually happen. Don't let imagination overtake reality. Marcus Aurelius had an interesting metaphor. He believed that a man, an emperor, a soldier, everyone was like a rock. Throw the rock up in the air, he said, and it loses nothing by coming down and gain nothing by going up. The rock stays the same. This teaching encourages us to embrace a balanced perspective on life's ever-turning wheel of fortune. Imagine success as a fleeting moment of sunlight and failure as a passing storm. Just as we don't overly rejoice in the sunshine or despair in the rain, so too should we not let success inflate our ego or failure crush our spirit. To the Stoic, both success and failure are external events beyond our complete control. What we can control, however, is our reaction. By approaching both with equanimity, we free ourselves from the emotional roller coaster of life's ups and downs. Epictetus said that the root of beauty was beautiful choices. He was talking less of physical beauty, one imagines, than of true beautiful human behavior, but actually it applies to both. A stunning woman whose looks are the result of her vanity and self-obsession will be rather unattractive when you get to know her. A man with strapping muscles acquired through steroids and a neglect of all other concerns is not really that impressive. Beauty, then, is difficult to separate from the intention, the choices which create it. In the realm of wisdom, simplicity reigns supreme. Ask yourself, my friend, with each frame and word, is this necessary? Let your content be like a Stoic's mind, unburdened by needless distractions. The Stoic soul finds richness in the essentials. In the pursuit of truth, pause and ponder, is this necessary? Let every moment in your creation be a treasure, not a triviality. In the world of digital noise, find purpose in your life. With every action, ask the Stoic's question, is this necessary? For it is in the necessary that true greatness is found. In the realm of Stoicism, there's a powerful idea, amor fati, or love your fate. It means embracing the events that come our way, especially the ones we can't control. Imagine a sailor on the vast sea. They can't change the wind, but they can adjust their sails. Similarly, we can't control everything in life, but we can control our response. By loving our fate, we learn to accept and adapt to life's currents. Stoics teach us to see obstacles as opportunities. Think of life as a blacksmith's forge. It can either break you or shape you into something stronger. When faced with adversity, instead of resisting, ask, how can I use this to grow? This shift in perspective is the essence of love your fate. It's about turning hardships into stepping stones toward wisdom and resilience. Finally, love your fate encourages us to live in the present moment. The Stoics remind us that the past is beyond our control and the future is uncertain. Hence, all we truly possess is the here and now. By cherishing each moment, we not only find contentment, but also the strength to face whatever destiny brings our way. In loving our fate, we find inner peace and the ability to thrive in any circumstance. In the Stoic tradition, we find wisdom in self-reflection. It is our duty to be tough on ourselves, examining our actions and thoughts closely. By doing so, we uncover our weaknesses and areas for improvement. This self-scrutiny strengthens our character, making us more virtuous individuals. In our interactions with others, let us extend the hand of understanding. Recognize that every person faces their own battles and struggles. Show empathy and kindness, for it is in understanding the challenges of others that we demonstrate true Stoic virtue. In doing so, we build harmonious relationships and contribute positively to our communities. The Stoic path lies in balancing the scales of toughness and compassion. Be tough on your own faults and weaknesses, for this is the path to self-improvement. Simultaneously, extend understanding and compassion to those around you. In this delicate equilibrium, we find the essence of Stoic wisdom, a philosophy that fortifies the individual and enriches the world with empathy and kindness. Incorporating these 8 Stoic rules into your daily life can lead to profound personal growth and resilience. Remember, we're all on this journey together, striving to become Stoic Titans. If you found this video insightful and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Stoic Titans. Join our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to living a Stoic life of virtue and wisdom. Thank you for watching, and may you continue to embrace these timeless principles on your path to a more stoic and fulfilling life.